Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is formicology the study of? Is it A. Water, B. Ants, C. Wine, or D. Algae? The answer is B. Ants.
Formicology, the study of ants, delves into the fascinating world of these tiny architects. Ants can lift objects 50 times their body weight and have complex social structures rivaling human societies. Some species even practice agriculture by farming fungi or herding aphids for honeydew, showcasing their incredible adaptability and teamwork.
Question 2. Which planet in the solar system comes the closest to Earth? Is it A. Jupiter, B. Mars, C. Neptune, or D. Venus? The answer is D. Venus.
Venus, Earth's closest planetary neighbor, is often called our sister planet due to its similar size and composition. Despite this kinship, Venus's surface temperature can melt lead at a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit 475 degrees Celsius, thanks to its thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid. It's a fiery sibling indeed.
Question 3. What is the name of the second largest planet in our solar system? Is it A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, C. Mars, or D. Uranus? The answer is B. Saturn.
Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system, is famous for its stunning rings composed of ice and rock particles. If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float due to its low density. Its winds can reach speeds of over 1,000 miles per hour, faster than Earth's strongest hurricanes.
Question 4. What term refers to a condition of very small gravitational forces? Is it A. Mini-gravity, B. Microgravity, C. Zero gravity, or D. Hypergravity? The answer is B. Microgravity.
In microgravity, astronauts can grow up to 2 inches taller. Without Earth's gravitational pull compressing their spines, the vertebrae expand slightly. However, this height boost is temporary. Once back on Earth, gravity resumes its role as a cosmic chiropractor, and astronauts return to their original height.
Question 5. What is Cynology the study of? Is it A. Dogs, B. Church architecture, C. Swans, or D. Plants? The answer is A. Dogs.
Cynology, the study of dogs, delves into the fascinating world of our loyal companions. From understanding their behavior and genetics to exploring their roles in history and society, cynologists uncover insights that explain why dogs are often called man's best friend. This field even helps improve training techniques and canine welfare.
Question 6. Interferons are proteins produced by the human body to interfere with the spread of what? Is it A. Viruses, B. Bacteria, C. Fungi, or D. Parasites? The answer is A. Viruses.
Interferons are the body's secret agents, launching a biochemical counterattack against viruses. These proteins alert neighboring cells to the viral invasion, boosting their defenses and slowing down the spread. Discovered in 1957, interferons have since become crucial in medical treatments for conditions like multiple sclerosis and certain types of cancer.
Question 7. Which dog breed is commonly used as a sled dog in Arctic and subarctic regions? Is it A. Dachshund, B. Boxer, C. Dalmatian, or D. Husky? The answer is D. Husky.
Huskies, known for their striking blue or multicolored eyes and wolf-like appearance, are not just sled dogs but also incredible endurance athletes. They can run over 100 miles a day in harsh Arctic conditions while maintaining an average speed of 10 to 14 miles per hour, showcasing their remarkable stamina and resilience.
Question 8. Which is an example of a neurodegenerative disease? Is it A. Fatty liver, B. Pericarditis, C. Huntington's disease, or D. Dyspepsia? The answer is C. Huntington's disease.
Huntington's disease, a genetic disorder, is often described as having ALS, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's simultaneously. It affects movement, cognition, and mood. The condition is caused by a mutation in the HTT gene and typically manifests in mid-adulthood. Remarkably, each child of an affected parent has a 50% chance of inheriting it.
Thanks for joining our science and nature quiz. Remember, in the world of trivia, knowledge is your gravitational pull. Until next time, stay curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.